Choose the correct sentence. A. He don't likes apples. B. He doesn't like apples. C. He doesn't likes apples. Synonym of happy. A. Sad. B. Cheerful. C. Angry. I've lived here 2020. A. For. B. Since. C. By. Antonym of polite. A. Kind. B. Gentle. C. Rude. Burn the midnight oil means A. Sleep early. B. Work late. C. Watch TV. She dash her homework now. A. Does. B. Is doing. C. Did. Choose the correct article. It's dash honored to meet you. A. B. N. C. The. Synonym of smart. A. Clever. B. Dumb. C. Silly. He arrived the airport early. A. At. B. In. C. To. Antonym of fast. A. Quick. B. Speed. C. Slow. Piece of cake means A. Very easy. B. Delicious. C. Boring. They dash to school every day. A. Goes. B. Going. C. Go. Synonym of job. A. Task. B. Toy. C. Play. Antonym of new. A. Modern. B. Old. C. Fresh. I met him dash Monday morning. A. In. B. On. C. At. She dash already left. A. Have. B. Has. C. Is. Break the ice means A. Start a conversation. B. Stay silent. C. Walk away. The dog is hiding dash the bed. A. Under. B. On. C. Over. Antonym of weak. A. Dull. B. Strong. C. Thin.
Synonym of beautiful. A. Ugly. B. Pretty. C. Loud. He's been working dash morning. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Hit the sack means A. Sleep. B. Fight. C. Eat. Choose the correct sentence. A. She can sing. B. She can sings. C. She can sing. We went to the beach dash Sunday. A. In. B. On. C. At. Antonym of clean. A. Dirty. B. Tidy. C. Clear. Synonym of tired. A. Sleepy. B. Active. C. Energetic. He is known dash her honesty. A. By. B. With. C. For. Kick the bucket means A. Start fresh. B. Get angry. C. Die. They dash gone home already. A, have. B, has. C, is. Choose the correct article. I adopted dash cat yesterday. A, B, N. C, the. Antonym of victory. A, win. B, defeat. C, success. Synonym of funny. A, serious. B, hilarious. C, sad. I'm proud dash my achievements. A, with. B, of. C, on. Spill the beans means A, waste food. B, reveal a secret. C, drop groceries. She dash cooking dinner. A, are. B, is. C, be. The clock is hanging dash the wall. A, in. B, on. C, to. Synonym of old. A, young. B, modern. C, ancient. Antonym of dark. A, bright. B, quiet. C, cold. He apologized dash being late. A, for. B, with. C, at. Call it a day means A, work all night. B, take a break. C, stop working. Choose the correct sentence. A, she was goes home. B, she is go home. C, she is going home. Synonym of help. A, harm. B, assist. C, delay. Antonym of alive. A. Breathing. B. Awake. C. Dead. I'm looking forward to dash you. A. Meet. B. Met. C. Meeting. We waited dash the bus for 20 minutes. A. For. B. To. C. At. The ball is in your court means A. It's your responsibility now. B. You're playing well. C. You're done. She sings dash than anyone else. A. Best. B. Better. C. Good. The sun rises dash the east. A. In. B. On. C. At. Synonym of noise. A. Calm. B. Sound. C. Silence. Antonym of sharp. A. Pointed. B. Blunt. C. Keen.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.